Can Emma have some of your pancakes?
Yeah.
What?
Here you go, Emma.
Emma can't eat pancakes.
Yeah. Emma, do your pancake.
No, she doesn't. What does Emma love?
Pancake.
No. Emma's too little for pancakes. Don't put it on her seat. What does Emma love?
Pancake. Oh, I know. Emma loves bubble gum.
Bubble gum?
Yeah.
She doesn't love bubble gum. What does Emma eat?
Water.
What does Emma eat? What do you say? Emma loves... Emma loves what? Say it.
Fish.
What does Emma eat?
Daddy.
Grilled cheese.
Daddy.
Daddy? She doesn't eat daddy. What does she eat? Emma eats... Oh, you don't know what she eats.
Fish.
Fish? What does Noah eat?
Boo-boo.
You do not. That's what Emma eats. You're silly.